Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss the basic meaning of women entrepreneurship, and further we are also going to discuss the various schemes that are there in order to promote women entrepreneurship in our country. Now let us first understand the basic meaning of who exactly women entrepreneurs are. See, they may be defined as our women, okay, as a single individual woman or a group of women who initiate, organize a business concern, right? So it can be a individual women also and a group of women also. Now, according to Schumpeter, women entrepreneurs are those women who innovate, initiate, or adopt a business activity and run a business concern. Very right. So he has added that they are also the people, okay, who innovate, create new things, okay. Now, according to Government of India, a women entrepreneur is defined as an enterprise owned and controlled by a woman, okay, having a minimum financial interest of 51% of the capital. Okay, so in the entire capital, there should be at least 51% stake that has to be owned by a woman, okay, or women. Now, and giving at least 51% of the employment generated in the enterprise to women, okay, and there should be at least 51% of the jobs in that organization that should be basically specifically for the women working over there. Now, this is according to Government of India. Now, let us discuss various schemes that are there which have been launched by our government in order to promote the women contributing towards the organization or basically the economy of the country. Okay. Now, the first one is Dena Shakti scheme. See, this scheme is a loan scheme for women. Okay, it's a solution for those who want to make a business out of manufacturing goods and also through carrying out agricultural activities specifically. Okay, so all those women who are interested in manufacturing or production activities and also carrying out certain agricultural works, they can avail the benefit through this scheme. So here basically loans up to 20 lakhs are sanctioned under the category of education, housing and retail trading. Okay, now this scheme was launched by Dena Bank, and under the category of microcredit, loans up to 50,000 are also offered. Okay, so you can avail loan of 50,000 under 50,000 rupees also. Okay, and it's under the microcredit loans category. Now, there is also a 0.25 concession on the scheme. Okay, that is a person or that women is eligible for a discount of 0.25% on the said rate or the market rate that is offered by the bank. Okay. Now the other scheme is Orient Mahila Vikas Yojana. So this scheme also gives loans, and it gives loans to women who wants to start a small business. Okay. We all know that there is micro, small, medium enterprise category, and under small businesses, okay, we are or women get loan under this scheme. So the women must have at least a 51% in the business requiring the loan for. So the condition over here is that the women who is or wants to avail the loan should have a 51% stake, at least 51% stake in the said business venture, and also a concession of 2% is given on the market interest rate to the applicant. Okay, whatever the market rate is going on, you or the women will get a 2% concession on the same. And also there is the repayment period for the loan of 7 years. Okay, and if the loan amount is less than 10 lakhs, Then there is also no collateral that is required. That is, you do not have to mortgage any kind of thing like property or your jewelry and all. Right? So if the loan amount is less than 10 lakhs, there is no collateral required. Okay. And in case of small scale enterprises, no collateral is required at all. And it is a scheme of Oriental Bank of India, right? Now the other scheme that is there is Stree Shakti package. So under this scheme, a loan of up to 50 lakhs is sanctioned, and if the loan amount exceeds 2 lakh rupees, a concession of 0.50 is given on the rate of interest. Okay, so if the loan is above 2 lakhs, you will be getting 0.5% concession, that is discount. Now the women must have at least 50% ownership in the business. Okay, and this scheme was launched by State Bank of Mysore, right? Now the other one and a very important scheme that is there currently is Mudra Yojana scheme for women. Okay, so Mudra or Micro Unit Development Agency Yojana scheme is basically aimed at providing financial assistance to women entrepreneurs who want to open any small venture, right? So loans starting from 50,000 and up to 50 lakhs can be sanctioned under this yojana, and no collateral is required if the loan is below 10 lakhs. Okay, so this is a scheme wherein you get loans as low as 50,000 rupees. You can even start your own parlor, salon. Okay, so here basically it is divided into three categories according to the stage in which a business falls. So the first one is Shishu. If your business is in initial stages, okay, so a loan of 50,000 rupees can be sanctioned. Okay, if you want to start a new small business like a parlor, then you can get a loan of around 50,000. Okay, now the other one is Kishore. If your business is not in initial stages but it is quite developed, okay, then this loan can be availed, and it is around from 50,000 to 5 lakhs rupees, right? And then the final category under this is Tarun. Here basically loans between 5 lakhs and 50 lakhs is sanctioned. Okay, so here basically those businesses get the loan who are already in a very sound position, right? Then last scheme is Sent Kalyani scheme, and it was launched by Central Bank of India. The scheme is suitable for women who work in small and medium enterprises. Okay, a loan of up to 1 crore can be sanctioned and no collateral is required in this. Okay, so the best part over here in this scheme is that there is no collateral that is required, and amount is also up to 1 crore rupees. Okay, now let us practice some important questions. Which of the following scheme is launched by Punjab National Bank? Mudra, Mahila Udyam Nidhi, Annapurna, Sent Kalyani. See, the correct answer for this would be Mahila Udyam Nidhi scheme. So this is your homework, that what all are basically the eligibility conditions of this scheme and also the concessions and all given under this scheme. Now the other question is Stree Shakti package is a scheme of State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Bank of Baroda, State Bank of Mysore. So we just discussed that it is a scheme which was launched by State Bank of Mysore, right? So the correct answer for this would be option B, that is State Bank of Mysore. So hope you understood everything that we studied today regarding what exactly women entrepreneurs are. Okay, they are basically the ones who start a new business. Okay, it can be a small or a big business. Okay, that can promote innovation also. And we further discussed various types of schemes like Dena Shakti scheme, Oriental Mahila Vikas Yojana, Stri Shakti package, and the most important Mudra Yojana scheme for women entrepreneurs, right? And also the Sant Kalyani scheme. So this was all for today. Thank you so much for your time.